Once again.
Hello and welcome to day 8 of our house renovation. Today we're hoping to get a fucking bathtub and a 3-piece surround shower unit in our bathroom. Then I'm gonna put this corner bead on here, this metal corner, start doing some mud some of these tape joints. But the biggest thing we're trying to get done today is get that bathtub in here. Otherwise, just keep on plugging away in here, sanding all this shit down so you can sand all this stuff off the wall just to be able to even fix the holes in the damn wall. So, it's definitely a lot more to do. So and then we're gonna have to push these damn pipes back down to the floor and plug those holes with some oak. So it's still a lot to do. Alright, so just give you a little example of how many layers of shit that you can run into in a kitchen. One kind of linoleum, 2 different kinds of linoleum, 3 different kinds of linoleum, layered over top of each other. Check that out. And I think down here it's like the original shit. Pull all this old loo on up and all this old fucking linoleum and shit up the floor. Put some new loo on down. So do another floor here. So this is like multiple layers. So again, another day my bathtub and shower didn't show up. So just go ahead and peck away at whatever there is that we can until it just shows up. Today we're gonna pull all this shit up off the floor and everything in the kitchen ready to be fucking done. Got that old brick wallpaper down off the wall. I'll pull all this shit up off the floor. So now I got my metal corner on and everything. And down there it was like a crack. So I went and put some tape behind that and tape that before I put the corner on. Now I'm gonna go ahead and spray some mud down this motherfucker. Alright, so now we're at the end of day 8. And we found out that if you take water and rub it on this old shit that's on this wall right here, it scrapes off good with a sheetrock knife. So that's like old wallpaper glue. So we're just getting that all scraped down and everything. So that's going on today in our bathroom. We did get our shower, but it's definitely going to be here on fucking Thursday. And the shower stall is 80 inches from the floor. So I cut that wall up to 85 inches right there. And then fucking that way, because you got to nail that back of that stall to the studs. And then hopefully a lip of the tub will fall back below that plywood like that, back behind it. If not, we'll put some plywood down in that hole right there. Set the tub on. All the new plumbing is all set up right there for the fucking shower and the tub and stuff. That's done. We got new supply lines and stuff for the vanity that's coming in here on Thursday as well. A new thing for the toilet in here. A lot more of the shit that was on this fucking ceiling is off. It's down on the floor. But what we found today, I figured out, is that we got a belly in the ceiling right there. So I'm gonna have to fucking figure out what's causing that. My guess is the ductwork up in the ceiling. So I'm gonna have to jack that up and run some screws in it, maybe put some supports up there to take that belly out of the ceiling where it's starting to sag. In here. We got this wall done. We got the corner in there. It's got this mudded for the first time. It's all tied into that other wall right there. Tape jointed against the ceiling and down the side over there. So I'm coming in here on Thursday and sand all that down and put another coat on it in here in the kitchen. All the loo on and all the old linoleum's up. And we're already all the way back down to the original 1953 floor. And check this out. That fucking is a piece of hardwood floor looking linoleum cut and inlaid into this other linoleum. So I guess as there used to be a pantry or a wall or some weird shit there. Over here, all the new supply lines are put in for the new kitchen sink. When the countertops get here, I gotta go pick them out, figure out what I'm gonna use. Then out here, we got new water lines right there. New copper water lines tied into that, going over to the hot water heater. So that's all done. And we actually powered the water back on, turned the water back on, powered the fucking breakers back on, except for the water heater. So we got powered everything today, and we got fucking water. Of course, we're not gonna be here tomorrow, so we're gonna turn that water off. Let's be on the safe side. And that's what we got done today. Laminate off of the floor, new supply lines, water and everything, all the water lines out there in that little utility room. Sheetrock finish on the wall right there. Cut that up to 85 inches. I'm gonna put like a 5-inch piece over top that lip. I peel that fucking sheetrock paper back like that so that I can fucking run a tape joint that sits nice and flush. Sanded some of that shit off the ceiling right there. Got new pipes and plumbing right in here, all soldered in for the fucking for the new tub and shower. That's a little low, unfortunately. It's not gonna be up above the stall, so it's just gonna have a shower head coming through the wall of the stall. Right over here, and getting a new vanity in. That'll go in on Thursday, and then I can go in here and start putting all the rest of the sheetrock up inside this room and get everything taped and mudded. And then I'll go ahead and put some Durock down and put the tile in this room, and then we'll set the toilet and the bathroom. Will come together pretty quick. It'll be the first room in the house that's finished. So, if you like this video, subscribe to Get Go TV. This is actually part 8, so if you would like to watch the other videos and go back from the beginning, you can start at number 1. Also, I've got 300 other videos on how to do shit and some other strange shit that we've done and seen. So we watch those videos. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit the little notification bell so that you know when we upload a new video. And it's always good if you subscribe and hit the like button. It supports the channel. It gives us a reason to keep making videos on how to do stuff. So, y'all have a good day. Tomorrow's the 4th of July. My ass gonna be eating fucking hamburgers and hot dogs. And my fat ass ain't gonna be up in here. But I'll be back on Thursday, and we'll resume this on Thursday. Part 9, day 9. Day 9 of the renovation. House renovation. So y'all have a good day now. And enjoy the 4th. And don't be stupid and get drunk and fucked up and set no fireworks off and catch yourself on fire and get fingers blown off or nothing like that. Be safe.